Unit 12. It's from the past. 1. Listen and read. المفردات المطلوبة في هذه الوحدة: bottle, clay, coach, curator, glass, cute book, gug, metal, object, spoon, stripped, knife, pot, stone, ear, million, technology. Mr. Youssef, today we are going to the Jordan Museum. We are going to see lots of objects from the past. Here is the coach children. Look both ways when you cross the road. Curator. This gug is from the 2nd century and it's made of glass. People used this gug to carry water. Can you see the spoon next to the gug? It's from the 2nd century too. It's made of metal. Ali, Karim, look at this bottle. It's 2,500 years old. Karim, it's a beautiful striped bottle. The colors are very bright. What is the bottle made of? Ali, it's made of clay. Ali, I've really enjoyed our trip. The museum is very interesting. Karim, look, I've bought a cute book about the museum to read at home. Then I can learn more about all the different objects. Ali, that's great. You can use the information for your school project. القاعدة المطلوبة: What is it made of? مما تصنع الأشياء. لنخبر عن نوع المادة التي يصنع منها نستخدم التركيب الآتي: is or are made of. تستخدم is للفاعل المفرد أي اسم مفرد أو ضمير مفرد he هو she هي it لغير العاقل، بينما نستخدم are للفاعل الجمع اسم الجمع أو ضمير جمع they هم we نحن وI أنا. The knife is made of metal. السكين مصنوع من المعدن. The bottle is made of glass. الزجاجة مصنوعة من الزجاج. The chairs are made of wood. الكراسي مصنوعة من الخشب. هذا تمرين إضافي من خارج المنهاج ليتمرن عليه الطالب. Read and write. The spoon is made of metal. Clothes are made of wool. The bags are made of leather. Two, listen and answer. What do Ali and Karim talk about? 3. Listen again and choose. The boat is, the knife is, the spoon is, made of stone, made of stone, made of wood, made of clay, made of metal, made of metal. The vase is, the bottle is, the gug is, made of clay, made of metal, made of clay, made of glass, made of glass, made of stone. 1 made of clay, 2 made of stone, 3 made of metal, 4 made of clay, 5 made of glass, 6 made of clay. 4. Ask and answer. What is the spoon made of? It's made of metal. What is the vase made of? It's made of glass. What is the knife made of? It is made of stone. 5. Read and answer. Are all of the objects in the museum old? No, there are modern objects in the museum too. The Jordan Museum. The Jordan Museum is in Amman. It opened in 2013. The modern building is made of stone and glass. The museum has lots of information about the history of Jordan. Inside the museum, there are more than 2,000 objects. The oldest objects in the museum are more than 1,000,000 years old. Most of the objects from this time are made of stone. Some of the objects in the museum are from the Roman area. They are made of clay, stone and glass. There are modern objects in the museum too. You can see computers and you can learn about technology. The museum has also got a library, a shop and cafe. 6. Read again and complete. Clay, stone, library, history, million, 2,000. 1. The museum is made of and glass. 2. The museum tells us about the of Jordan. 3. There are more than objects in the museum. 4. The oldest objects are more than a years old. 5. The Roman objects are made of stones and glass. 6. The museum has got a shop and cafe. 1. Stone. 2. History. 3. 2,000. 4. Million. 5. Clay. 6. Library. 7. Read and answer. What do museums teach us about? Museums teach us about the history of a country. They also teach us about modern objects. 8. Listen and say. There's a spoon, a knife, a vase, and a jug. In the museum there is, in the city there is. 9. Look and say. 1. In the museum there is. 2. In the city there is. 1. In the museum there is a library, a shop and a cafe. 2. In my city there is a hotel, a music and a park. 10. Look and say. There's a clock in my living room. It's made of metal and glass. Rug, clock, computer, television, table, shelf, vase, chair, metal, plastic, wool, wood, clay, glass. 1. There is a table in the kitchen. It is made of wood. 2. There is a vase in the living room. It's made of glass. 3. There is a computer in my bedroom. It is made of metal.